Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. When I'm filming this video, I just wanted to do a little quick get ready with me because my mom and I are going out to this thing called Surfing Santa. I live in Florida, so they have this thing every year called Surfing Santa, and that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna try out the cold girl makeup look. So we're just gonna go ahead and speed through this part. So I'm gonna do a voiceover as well. You like my tree? I did a Grinch inspired Christmas tree. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I've never been to this Surfing Santa before, and I know I live in Florida. It doesn't normally get this cold, but it's like 29 degrees right now. It never gets this cold during this time of the year. It's usually like 70s or 80s or the 60s, and so it's kind of crazy on how it's cold right now. I had to buy a sweater, a big jacket, and some hat and glove and a scarf. Like, I didn't think it would ever get this cold in Florida. I'm like quickly doing this right now, so I'm just tapping my foundation all over my face. But yeah, it's so crazy how cold it is right now in Florida. I'm also drinking coffee as I'm doing my makeup, just because I'm in a hurry, just so I can be ready when we're ready to go. Okay, that should be okay. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer, the Hydrate Concealer, as always. I'm also filming for TikTok as well. I need to get some more of this stuff. I'll put some underneath here. I know I have red glitter sort of on my eye. That's from yesterday's makeup look. I did do a shorts video and a TikTok for it, so definitely keep a lookout for that. That may be up before this video. I don't know. If it is up before this video, go check it out. I'll have it linked in the description box. I hate when I have to brush my makeup because I can never find anything that I need. And I'm breaking out. Ew. Yes, last night I had to work, and so it was crazy busy. This is the finished look. It's so cute. It is freezing out here. It is 8:10. We are on the way to go to Surfing Santa. I got these gloves and the hat from Ross. This is by Juicy Couture. This jacket is from Ross as well. My whole outfit pretty much is from Ross. I'm gonna take my glove off and show you guys how cold it is here in Florida right now. And it's never this cold. Like, I think Florida's broken. But hold on, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how cold it is right now. Back home is 9 degrees. It is 33 degrees. It is freezing. Like, the wind too, like, the wind makes it really bad. And we're gonna be by the beach, so it's gonna be really cold. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys there, and I'll show you my little outfit later on. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. freezing and my feet got wet. So yeah, that's fun. My feet got wet. The waves are high. I'll show you guys.
They're all gone, dude.
They're so high, the water's coming up.
If you want to pick up a bracelet that you
My feet got wet.
a surfing Santa, say hi to
My socks are wet. My shoes are wet.
Fix you up.
So cute.
That guy, hydrofoil.
It recorded me saying, I'll help you get your plate. Why didn't do that?
Oh, look, I got it.
Yay!
That first one is very good.
We used to go to this one at school. You know, it was called the Green Olive, and it was similar to this, and it got really bad. The food was good in the beginning, but last time we went, it was terrible.
That sucks. I never had egg soup before.
Egg drop soup?
Yeah.
Good.
Different. It's good though. Close up of my tree. My mom and I made these. Wrapped those present gifts, ornaments. These were from last year. And my mom made that Grinch hand. Merry Christmas, everybody. I just wanted to have a close-up of my tree. And good morning. I think I'll be keeping this up until like February, just because I got done. I decorated it and finished it a little late. A little presents, book presents over here. Good morning and Merry Christmas, everybody. So today we're gonna do a Christmas brunch charcuterie board. We're not gonna do too much, really. We're just gonna chill and relax, eat, and whatnot. And that's about it. And listen to some music and watch movies. There's my mom. I got her at a weird time. But we're going to show you guys on how we do our Christmas charcuterie board. Stay tuned for that. Let me say Merry Christmas to everyone. Huh, buddy? Yes, Merry Christmas. Aw, look at such a cute face.